Welcome back to my channel. I'm Nes, and in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you 5 steps to become the best version of yourself. The first step is knowing who you wanna be. And I'm not talking about career or life purpose. I'm talking about the person you wanna be in this world. So visualize your ideal future and see who you are there. Are you braver? Are you kinder? Are you more loving, more outgoing? Do you dance more? Are you more confident? What qualities you wanna embody? How are you socially? Who are you in relationships, friendships, at work? How is your physical health, mental health, emotional health? And you can also include your appearance. So for example, if you always wanted to have short hair, but you are hesitant because you always had long hair, knowing that that is what you want is truly gonna give you the courage to do it. And also you can be as specific as you want, and it's okay if you change your mind or change some things down the line. The second step is what changes you can do to get there. So here we're talking about the practices and habits you can do to be the best version of yourself, or the habits and practices that the best version of yourself is doing. So for example, if the best version of yourself is a morning person, maybe try to go to bed earlier. If you want to be more at peace, try to meditate every day, like for 5 minutes, or journal. These are the tiny habits that make the most impact. And also, these doesn't have to be daily habits. They can be every other day, or weekly, or monthly, whatever suits you best. Like for example, if you want to learn another language, you can watch more shows in that language so that you get the slang and pronunciation, etc. So try to plan including these habits into your schedule. It will really make you feel like you're taking a step in the right direction. The third one is putting yourself out of your comfort zone. So this one was a big one for me because I'm a Taurus sun, and you know how we are. Change is scary for us, but nothing is impossible, and if you can visualize yourself doing a certain thing, then you can definitely do it. So for example, a lot of people who are truly shy imagine the best version of themselves being really outgoing and talking to people and making random conversations. But it sounds really challenging for them. And I understand, it is challenging, but it's not impossible. And the thing is, the more we challenge ourselves and go out of our comfort zone, the easiest it will become. And I know that because I went through a period of my life where I didn't initiate any conversation. I only talked with people who talked to me. And I also went through a phase where I talked to everybody. Like if I see someone I want to talk to them, I'll talk to them. And the thing I noticed was the more I talk to people, the easiest it become. And the more I hold back and be in my thoughts, then I'll overthink it and I won't do it. So I know it can be difficult, but just go at your own pace. You decide the steps you want to take, and every step you take is a big win. So if you just smiled at someone in the grocery store, then that's a win. The thing I also noticed with comfort zones is that it's just scary because we haven't done it. But once we do it, it will become really easy. The fourth one is having practical plan. So as they say, a goal without plan is just a wish. And here we're talking about starting to do the practical steps that get you to your final goal. So for example, if you want to start a business, but you still don't know anything about how to do it, the first practical step would be research. You see what steps you need to take, how others have done it. You also see the paperwork that need to be done, how to get a loan, for example, what logo or colors you want to do for your brand. Or if you see yourself doing a certain job, maybe apply for those jobs or apply for college. Or for example, if you want to be a content creator, then plan out the days where you're gonna film, you're gonna edit, etc. I know this isn't the most fun, but it needs to be done. And also we can make it more fun when we remember the goal and feel how passionate we are about it. The fifth and final step is self-love and self-acceptance. I believe the best version of every person is a version where they love and accept themselves. It's super important because this is what makes us truly feel fulfilled and satisfied. And if we don't do that, then we are gonna keep chasing goal after goal. And when we reach one goal, we just gonna brush it out and plan a next one and the next one. And each time we're gonna think that we're gonna feel better whenever we reach one goal. But it's gonna last for 2 seconds. Because these things remain external, and the thing that gives us the most joy and fulfillment and happiness comes from within. So it's important to love and accept yourself every step of the way. So the person you are right now, is worthy and deserving of love. And the person you're gonna be 10 years from now is also worthy and deserving of love. So it's important not to think that we are gonna love or accept ourselves once we get or achieve a certain thing, because it doesn't work like that. Instead of thinking I love and accept myself once I gain or lose weight, or I learn another language, or I get a promotion, think about how or what you can do to love and accept yourself right in this moment, because you only have this moment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.